Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Michelle. I am super excited to bring you today's video because we are finally doing the Farmhouse laundry room makeover reveal. Now, this has been a project in progress for about a month now, and it was a beast, let me tell you. The previous laundry room colors were dark red, and it was dark and dreary in here. It was horrible, and it was just a room that neither myself or my daughter enjoyed spending time in, so our laundry got piled up quite a bit. But now I'm happy to say that we have completed the project, and with the exception of putting some trim around the ceiling. We do have to do that this weekend, but besides that, we have finished the laundry room, and I'm so excited. Before I show you the complete reveal, I'm going to insert some clips of how the room looked before. I'm also going to insert some clips of us during the process and doing some of the things, and then I will show you the final reveal, and I think that you will like it. I hope you do. I love it. My daughter loves it. She never likes to do laundry, and now she likes to do laundry, so it's a win. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. If you look behind me, it has this horrible wallpaper, and then up here at the top you will see there was like a magnolia border. The walls and the shelves were all red, and I've already painted the shelves. I actually got Haley to help me with that, so we got the shelves painted this week. Today we're going to be pulling out the washer and dryer and painting behind those. We also got some beadboard we're going to put up on the side walls where the wallpaper is, and over here this is a really dark wall, but it's the back part of the built-in china cabinet that's in the dining room, so there's not really a whole lot we can do with this. So we're just going to put some beadboard up over it. And then I have shelves around this side, and these were just plain unfinished wood, and so we painted those. There's hardwood floors on the bottom. They're original to the house, so we're not really going to do anything with those. Probably just throw a rug down, but we're going to try to get this finished today, and I just wanted to give you guys a preview of what it looked like before the makeover. And so I will insert a picture of the before picture of what the shelves looked like before, and then I'll shoot some small clips of us doing some things in here today, and then at the end of the video you will see the final makeover reveal. We are doing this in a farmhouse theme, so I've got a lot of cute ideas for storage and things like that, so be sure you stay to the end. Again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and we will get right into it.
guys, are you ready for this reveal? I know I am. To start out, the door is original to the house. The house was built in 1956. The hardware on the door is original. These signs are laundry signs that I got from LTD Commodities a very long time ago, and I thought they were really cute on the outside of the door. When you go in, on the inside of the door, I painted this sign at a paint party one night, and this was before I named my channel, but I thought it was fitting and the colors were perfect. I really like it. And this is my laundry room, guys. I'm so proud of it. With the exception of still needing to do the trim around the ceiling, which we're doing this weekend, it is done. If we start at the top, the Farm Sweet Farm tray came from Hobby Lobby. The flowers inside came from the Dollar Tree. And the pig came from Hobby Lobby also. The container over on the right shelf is actually an old popcorn container. I just chalk painted it and then put chalk labels on it for my laundry soap. The baskets came from the Dollar Tree, the brown ones, and I added chalkboard labels to those. The laundry bin in the center came from the dollar store. Down here we have the liquid laundry softener and detergent, and those are from Walmart. It's the dispensers. I love those. In the center, I used a galvanized bucket for my flings, another galvanized container for fireworks, and mason jars for Epsom salts and borax. This corner is my favorite. I used a mason jar and some Dollar Tree flowers, a plaque that I found from the dollar store, and 2 antique irons. My lint bucket came from Hobby Lobby. It was also on clearance. And the sign above it came from the Dollar Tree. We decided to add a folding tabletop to the room, which is my absolute favorite part. This is just two 2x12s. We sanded them down and stained them with mahogany gel stain, resanded and stained again, and it is perfect. It is absolutely my favorite part of the room. In the corner of the folding table, I used a galvanized bin and just labeled it with chalkboard labels for lost socks. And on this wall, I got 2 laundry room signs. Both came from Hobby Lobby, and they were both, of course, on clearance. And if you recognize this one, this was in my last video haul of things that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I keep a small bin down here for wet rags, dish towels, things like that. The shelves are for extra storage, extra drinks, tools, extra laundry soap, our essential oils, and we have plenty of room to expand and store things from the house. Along the top shelf, I plan on keeping extra paper towels and boxes of garbage bags. On this side, we keep our extra cleaners, Swiffer supplies, rags, bug sprays, anything that has to do with home upkeep is going in the bins located on this side. And then on this wall, I decided to put some command strip hooks and hang the mop, the broom, and the Swiffer and the dust mop. And there is the rug that I made from Dollar Tree Rag Rugs. I will link that video in the cards above so that you can see how I made that. And that is the tour of my laundry room. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. We enjoy this room so much now, and I love that it has so much more function, and it's organized and clean and so much more enjoyable to be in. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And we appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope to see you next time.